In traditional Igbo culture, suicide is seen as a very serious abomination called nsọala or arụ. It's an offense against the earth goddess, the community, and even the family of the deceased. Here's what happens when a person commits suicide in Igbo land. The person is not put in a coffin and is not given a proper burial right. Instead, the person is taken to an evil forest far away from the community. If a person hangs his or herself on a tree, the person may be buried right under that tree with no ceremony. If a suicide took place in a house, that house is considered polluted and may be burnt down to appease the land. The family on its own faces some social stigma. The family is not allowed to cry or mourn publicly to avoid attracting spiritual consequences. The family and the community must perform elaborate purification rituals to appease the earth goddess and to avoid consequences or future occurrences. All these practices show how the Igbo value the sanctity of life. Suicide is not a personal tragedy. It's seen as something that affects the entire community and the spiritual balance of the land.